Hey guys, look over there!
What is she doing?
Ha ha! It's Lily.
Is she playing football?
Yes, she's alone.
That's funny.
Lily, why are you playing football?
Football is for boys.
I just like it.
Go play with dolls.
Or draw something.
I love football.
You can't be good.
You will lose every game.
Maybe not.
Ha ha! Okay, football star.
Why do they say that? I don't hurt anyone. I just want to play.
Hi, Lily. You're home.
Hi, Mom.
Why do you look sad?
Some kids laughed at me today
Laughed? Why?
because I play football. They said girls don't play football.
And what did you say?
I said I love it, but it still hurts.
Of course it hurts. But tell me something. Do you really love football?
Yes. When I play, I feel strong. I feel happy.
That's enough. If you love it, you don't stop.
But what if I'm not good?
Then we practice. I will train with you.
Really?
Yes, we start today.
Finish your homework first.
I will finish fast. I'm done.
Good. Let's go outside. Show me your kick.
Okay.
Nice. Try again. Faster this time. Don't give up.
I won't.
Class, I have important news. Next week we have a football competition. We need players for our school team. If you want to join, say your name now.
I'm in. My name is Ethan.
I'm joining too. I'm Liam.
Count me in.
Good. Anyone else?
I want to join.
Of course you do.
This again? Lily, this is not a joke.
I'm not joking.
It's a real competition.
Other schools will come.
I know that.
You will cry after 5 minutes.
I won't cry.
You think you can win?
I don't think. I know.
Wow, she's confident.
Just wait and see. Then you'll know who wins.
Enough. Lily, your name is on the list. Practice starts tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
This will be funny.
We'll see. Dad, we have a football competition next week.
That's amazing.
I joined the team,
I'm proud of you.
but I'm nervous. Everyone laughed again.
Are you scared of them?
A little.
Good.
Good?
Yes, being nervous means you care. That's not weakness.
What if I lose?
Then you learn. But first, we train harder.
More training?
Every day until the match. We'll be ready.
Really?
Of course. You said you want to win, right?
Yes.
Then let's work for it.
Okay, let's go now.
Team, come here. Listen to me. Today is important. Play with focus. play together.
Yes, sir.
Lily, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Don't be nervous.
Or maybe you should be.
I'm fine.
This team is very strong.
Try not to make mistakes.
I won't.
Enough talking. Believe in yourselves.
Lily,
Dad,
Come here for a second.
I'm a little nervous.
that's normal. But remember your training.
Remember how hard you worked. You didn't give up.
Just play your game. Don't think about the others.
What if I fail?
Then you try again. But we believe in you.
You are strong. You are ready.
Okay, I will do my best.
That's all we want.
Teams, get ready.
This is it.
Let's win.
Let's do this.
Lily, here.
I got it.
Shoot!
Now!
She did it.
Excellent.
That was amazing.
Final whistle. We win.
Lily, you were incredible.
We judged you before. We were wrong.
If you weren't here, we wouldn't win.
Thank you.
You're a real player.
Lily, come here.
I'm so proud of you.
You were brave.
You didn't listen to the laughter.
You listened to your heart.
I was scared.
But you still played.
I'm so happy. I worked so hard for this.
And this is just the beginning. Keep dreaming.
I will. I promise I will.
Lily, can we talk for a minute?
Of course, Mom.
We were thinking about the match.
Me too.
You played like a professional. You were calm and focused.
Your passes were smart. Your last goal was perfect.
Thank you. I practiced a lot.
Yes, you did. You never gave up.
Even when people laughed at you,
That was hard. I felt sad at first.
But you didn't stop.
No, I remembered your words. You said I should keep going.
and you did.
I learned something important.
What did you learn?
I learned that people can judge you. They can laugh at you. But that doesn't mean they are right.
That's true.
I also learned that hard work changes everything. If you practice every day, you get better.
Exactly.
And I learned something else.
What is it?
Family support is very important. When you believed in me, I believed in myself.
That makes me very happy.
We will always support you.
Now I'm in the school team. I play in every match, and I'm not scared anymore.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I am very proud.
You should be.
I will keep training. One day, I want to play in big competitions.
With this attitude, you will.
Just remember one thing.
What?
Never stop believing in yourself.
I won't. I promise.
That's our champion.
And this is just the beginning.